Hey you guys, so today I'm gonna share this is gonna be a hair tutorial that we're gonna do with pearls. Pearls are gonna be the highlight of this DIY. On Instagram, I recently saw a post by Tessa where she shared her hair for New York Fashion Week. I don't know who did this hair, but it looks really gorgeous, and I instantly thought that I should try to recreate it and share it with you guys. Now, full on, like I'm gonna be real with you guys. I have not tried it before filming, so I don't know if this is actually going to be uploaded on YouTube. Yeah, if it is not a disaster, I'll definitely upload it. But I think I can make it. We'll try. At least I know that we can attach those in the hair. So yeah, let's see how it goes. Like I've taken two strands together of the same length, that is the length of my hair, and a little longer. Add like a inch or two to your hair length, and then take a thread of that length, knot it on one end, and knot it multiple times instead of just one. You want the knot to be really thick. Now take a rubber band, an elastic, and open these two strands like so, and thread the elastic through the strand. So it should be sandwiched between the strands, and bring it till the knot is. Take the needle and thread these two strands through the needle. Now you want to start threading these pearls through. Use various sizes of pearls just randomly. I'm going to start with the smallest and then keep changing. When you have this much thread left, just take the needle out, and now you want to tie a knot as close as you can. So what I'm doing is, because the whole of the bead is too big, so I'm going to tie a knot. I'm going to take the bead out and I'm going to tie a knot with the bead in like this, and so the bead is kind of in my loop. Now I'm going to push it towards the rest of the beads. So can you see what I did there? Now you should have something that has a rubber band on one end and a knot at the other. You want to make these strands like at least, let's say 6, 7, 10, how much ever you want. Make strands like these, and then I'll show you how you can attach it to your hair. I had to put my specs on for this amazingly intricate beadwork. No, just kidding. I hate winters. Okay, I hate winters, but I love to dress. I really look forward to Diwali and Christmas. I know that's really stupid that I hate winters, but I enjoy the festivals that winters has to offer, because those true festivals are all about dressing up and jump. So yeah, ये perfect है यार दिवाली के लिए. दिवाली पे करो, Christmas पे करो. Oh, this is gonna look so good on Christmas, especially if you're wearing white. Wow. Okay, I think I'm convinced I'm gonna do it on Christmas. I'm not even trying to convince you people. You do you. This is fun. So now I'm gonna show you how to attach it. So that's out of the way. I'm gonna take this section. I'm gonna take the hairband, hair tie, and then I'm gonna put my finger and my thumb, and then I'm gonna grab this section of hair. And with this other finger and thumb, I'm going to take this elastic and pull it. See what it is? And then turn, twist and pull, and twist and pull till it's tight. And feels nice and secure. So that's how you'll attach it. and when your hair is open or tied, it won't really show. That's why you want to do it somewhere in the middle where you're not anywhere near your what is it called? You don't want to do it anywhere near your, what is this called? Okay, you don't want to do anywhere near where your what is this called? Whatever this is. Okay, where your scalp is, where you're making your whatever that word is. Anywhere near your partition. Wherever you're making the partition, if it's a center partition or a side. So you don't want to do it near that because you need hair to cover up this portion, right? So now I'm gonna attach these in my hair and then you try to make a nice hairstyle. Okay, you guys, I know I look crazy, but stay with me. So I've tied my hair at the back and I've left all these pearl strings hanging out. Now I'm gonna start pinning them around my ponytail, trying to hide that hairband and create something like Tessa's hair. I hope you really enjoyed this, and as much as I did it as quickly as possible so that I can upload it as fast as I can, because people need to put pearls in their hair, I guess. It's gonna be so beautiful, man. Do it for Diwali, do it for Christmas. Send me pictures, I'd be more than happy to see it. DM me at Soumya Wadhwani, and see you in the next. I'll see you. What's wrong with me? I will see you in the next one. Thank you.